Okay, so we're going to talk for a minute about Divine Collision. Divine Collision is a dream that I've had for years. Years ago, I used to design clothes, and I kind of walked away from it, I don't know, for various reasons. But I kind of, this past year, stepped back into it, and I found some seamstresses from my hometown that used to work at the factory there. And I get to be creative. I get to have fun and put together fun things. So we've done a lot of vests. And these pieces are like repurposed. They're like one of a kinds. Don't you like improv, Paul? He's laughing and the camera's shaking.
We're in a winery.
That's okay. We're okay. Yes, I had a glass of Chardonnay. Okay.
Or two.
But no, wait. Chill pill. Yeah, maybe 1.5. Okay. So we do all the fun little shirts that are like really unique and cute. Vests. These are all like one-of-a-kind pieces, like the suede painted, and they're all new. None of the pieces are old or worn. They're all new, and then I put them together with the seamstresses, and they end up like one-of-a-kind pieces. Fun. You have to show my jeans if you haven't shown my jeans. Sorry, not that mine. Okay, so story. Divine Collision, leather, my sweet granny's blanket. I cut it up. Yes, I did. I cut my granny's blanket up to make these bell-bottom pants. And they're the best. And we have a full-size run of them. Like a pull-on. Super, super cute. I think we showed this on live Tuesday night. Maybe. Love, XO. How fun. Just great, great, great pieces. And then, of course, we have all our pieces from the store. You know, the great Adore jackets that are amazing. And guys, check these out. They're on the website, FeliciaBella.com.
Yeah, oh yeah.
You don't want to miss it. There's a lot going on in here. So I'm going to jump off. You guys come visit us. Felicia Bella Live every Tuesday night at 6. And we're about to change our platform. Right, Paul? Where we're going to be doing some different things. And FeliciaBella.com. FeliciaBella.com. And by all means, come visit the White Squirrel Winery because this place rocks.